What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Shaq, man. Back with another video. Today's video got some bad news and got some good news. Bad news is that bro, what the fuck, bro? Take that damn Ford on someone, bro. That shit is not fast, bro. Ain't nothing but a straight pipe F-150. That's all it is. And it's squatted. But anyways, y'all, the bad news is that I found the problem. So while I was driving, my whole fucking, hold on, y'all. Y'all see that? This whole thing can come off. Like, look. While I was fucking driving, y'all, the fucking bolt came off. Like the back of the damn rotor. I mean the caliper. The whole thing came off. So lucky I found out what the fuck the problem was. Then look what it was doing to my fucking rotor, y'all. Chopped my whole fucking rotor off. Now look at the inside and look at the outside. Fucking chopping my shit. So the whole time I'm thinking I need fucking shocks, but after a while I end up changing these anyway. But y'all, when I tell y'all, God was on my side and I made it to the fucking crib, I don't know how the fuck that shit happened. But that shit is crazy, y'all. But I'm gonna catch y'all once I take this off. Y'all, check this out, y'all. I'll tell y'all, this shit was so fucking loose. All that shit was loose, bro. So I don't know how the fuck that shit got loose. But that shit is fucking crazy, y'all. I'm glad I fixed on my own damn kind. I knew what the hell to look for. But after a while, y'all, I'm gonna order some coilovers because it's time, boy. It's time for some new ones. Fucking in. Whoa! I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You know what I mean? What the hell? Thick old boat food, boy. Look at that shit, man. That shit crazy. I gotta take this off. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I take this off. Look at the old one. Over with. And then look at the new one. That bitch gone. Man, that shit crazy. Then I said, fuck it, I'm gonna buy the new ones too. I bought the new caliber bolts. So, yeah. I'm gonna end up fixing all this shit. Look at that, man. That shit was rubbing. That don't make no sense, bro. He was rubbing that too. Man, bro. Hold on, y'all can actually see I got them. Oop. I got the top one in, and I got the bottom one in now. So now, that motherfucker ain't moving. First, that motherfucker was up here like he'd be bouncing. So I guess that's how the old one ended up getting script like that all the way around. But, shit, I got it back on there. That was the good news, that I found the problem. Like, I'm just glad I ain't fucking crashing nothing, because, man, just think about these brakes this whole thing would have came off while I was driving. And I'm going at like 80 miles an hour. I mean, it would have sucked, man. So I'm glad I'm a car head, y'all. Might get on my nerves sometimes. I gotta keep on spending money, but at the same time, shit, you gotta do what you love. You gotta do what you love, G. Might have to put the damn compressor thing back. I had it in first. Yep, I have to end up doing it. Hold on. And just like that, y'all. We got everything put back together. Everything nice and sturdy. Oh, look at that shit. You can't even fucking move it. Can't move it at all. I mean, just a little bit, but I'd rather not have it come all the way off. Shit. Like I said, y'all, we back to the basics. We back good now. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Appreciate all the love on each video y'all watch. Peace out. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one.